What do you get when you cross tiramisu with a brownie? We're gonna find out. Let's get started with the fudgy brownie base. Melt the chocolate and butter together until smooth and glossy, and try not to eat it all. Stir in the sugar, then whisk in 2 eggs. Take it easy, one at a time. Fold in flour, cocoa powder, and salt until just combined. Pour that into the pan and smooth over the top. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until just set, but still fudgy. No dry brownies here, thank you. While that's in the oven, hit subscribe, because the more love you show, the more chocolate we throw. Now, let's get that thing caffeinated. Mix espresso with sugar. Dip each ladyfinger lightly into the coffee. Remember, we're soaking, we're not drowning. Line them up over your cooled brownie like a biscuit jigsaw puzzle. Break biscuits to fit as needed, there's no shame in a little imperfection. And now, the mascarpone. Beat the mascarpone, cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla on medium until thickened and smooth. Add liquor if you want it a little boozy. Spread it evenly over the biscuit layer before using an offset spatula for a clean, satisfying finish. Cover and chill for at least 2 hours. You can hit that couch and do the same. Use a fine mesh sieve and dust generously with cocoa powder before serving. Top with chocolate curls if you're feeling extra. Pro tip, use a warm knife for gorgeous clean cuts. Or just call it rustic and dig in. There you have it, 2 cocoa classics combined. A tiramisu reimagined as a brownie. It's velvety and rich with a subtle chew and soft cream top. Enjoy and tell us what cocoa recipe you want to see from us next. And remember, subscribe for more cocoa magic. Catch you in the next one!